In order to not miss important educational videos from us, subscribe on our channel and ring the notification bell and the big red button below this video. In today's episode we will show you the differences between hurricanes, cyclones and typhoons. Different countries in the world are often hit by oceanic storms that we know as hurricanes, typhoons and cyclones. But what exactly are they? Ocean storms are created when the air temperature in an ocean area is different than a nearby area. The warm air climbs high while the cool air drops down. These movements create a change in atmospheric pressure. If this pressure keeps changing in a wide area, there will be created strong winds in the form of great circles. The air with high pressure goes to low pressure areas. Dense clouds cause heavy rainfall as the storms move over the ocean. Ocean storms keep rotating and always gain more power as they head to hot water ocean areas. The center of the storm is a quieter area. The strongest winds are those around the storm center. Ocean storms create huge waves that can reach even more than 6 meters height. When ocean winds rotate and reach 74 miles per hour, the storm is classified as a cyclone, typhoon or a hurricane. What are the differences between them? The typhoons, cyclones and hurricanes are essentially the same thing. Their geographical difference is the part of the planet this storm is created. Different countries put different names to them. So, hurricanes are tropical winds that are created in the North Atlantic, the Northeast Pacific, the Caribbean Sea and Mexico. The typhoons are winds that are mostly distributed in the Pacific Ocean, especially in the Asia area. Cyclones are formed over the Indian Ocean and the seas in Asia and Africa. There are centuries that for these natural phenomenons are used people names. An Australian scientist began to call storms in female names at the end of the 19th century. During World War II, scientists used the names of their wives or girlfriends for storms. In 1979, they started using male names as well. Their main difference is that storms occurring in the northern hemisphere are rotated using the anti-clockwise system and the storms occurring in the southern hemisphere are rotated using the clockwise system. How are they created and spread? Given the fact that they are more active in the hot oceans, tropical winds usually occur during the summer, when the sea is hotter. Hurricanes have 4 main ingredients: low air pressure, high temperatures, wet ocean air, tropical winds. Hurricane passes some phases during its creation. It starts as a tropical wave that always goes to the west with a low air pressure. When the wet air over the ocean rises into a low pressure airspace, the cold air from above replaces it. This produces very strong winds, heavy rains and black clouds. When there are winds that remain over 37 miles per hour, the storm is called the tropical depression. When the cyclone holds the speed from 40 to 74 miles per hour, this is called the tropical storm. The storm becomes a hurricane when the winds stay over 74 miles per hour. End of the hurricane. When the hurricane travels over the earth or cold water, its energy is weakened and the storm ends or dies. In the Atlantic, the storm season occurs from 1 June to 30 November. 97% of tropical cyclone activity happens during this period of time. However, there is nothing magical about these dates. The hurricanes can happen even outside of this 6-month period. The typhoons, hurricanes and cyclones are natural disasters that people can experience during their lives. These disasters carry thousands of human lives and cause significant material damage. You have now learned the real differences between hurricanes, cyclones and typhoons. If you like this video and want to see more educational videos from us, subscribe on our channel and share it with the world. Thank you for watching.